for being here with all of us. Evening na ba? Gabi na ba? This afternoon. Gabi na pala. This evening. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Hopefully you guys enjoy the film as we've enjoyed making it for all of you. Thank you so much. And thank you kay Direk Joel, kay Sir Ben. Thank you so much. Grabe, sobrang spoiled kami while doing this film. And sa mga co-actors ko, I love all of you. Thank you so much.
Isa na namang obra mula sa ating direktor na si Joel Amanan. Sana po ay mapaiyak namin kayo, mapatawa namin kayo, at uuwi kayong masaya.
Let's hear from Mr. JC De Vera.
Hi guys, maraming salamat for coming here. At gusto ko rin syempre lang magpasalamat lalong-lalo na kay Sir Ben for producing this movie. We enjoyed shooting the film, so I hope you guys enjoy it too. At ayun, sana po suportahan nyo kami this coming November 27. Pakikalat na lang po ang magandang balita. Again, thank you. Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagdalo. Sana po ipamalitan nyo sa mga kakilala nyo, kaibigan nyo, kung ano man ang mapanood nyo ngayong gabi. Meron pong bagong producer. Sana po ay ating tangkilikin ang pelikula para dumami pa ang producer na kagaya niya, na ang puso ay talagang nasa industriya ng pelikulang Pilipino. Palakpakan po natin ang Ventria Productions at si Engineer Ben Austria. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Derek. Good evening to everyone. Thank you for coming. Sana magustuhan niyo itong pelikulang ito kasi napakaganda. And we have a good stellar actors and very professional. Lalo nitong tatlo, na my idol, Rita Avila, and of course, lahat sa mga supporting. Salamat sa inyong pagpunta, and then i-disseminate ninyo itong information na ito kasi hindi lang love story ito, meron din social issue awareness. So, salamat sa lahat. Thank you for coming.
Okay, gusto lang po namin i-announce na ngayon po ang trailer premiere ng third movie ng Ventria Production, ang Fatherland. Isang napakalaking pelikula, abangan po natin. Bago po magsimula, photo op muna po siyempre. Of course! Diyos ko, my God. Yung paborito ko pa, nakalimutan ko. Miss Rian Ra.
Favorite is Skip, Char. Hindi, joke lang. Well, actually, okay lang naman kasi nasabi na din naman nila ang lahat. So I just wanna take the opportunity to thank every member of the cast. It was such an honor to be in the same scenes as you. I wanna thank Direk Joel for the positive shooting experience. He really cares about every single person on set. And of course, thank you, Sir Ben, for also the very positive shooting experience. Hindi na namin mapigilan, di ba? Paulit-ulit na kami. Sobrang na-enjoy po namin yung paggawa ng movie na to. And even the parts after, it was just so nice to, parang we have a little family here, gano'n. So thank you, everyone. Thank you to everyone involved in making this movie. Thank you, Sir Dennis. And thank you guys for being here. Please help us spread the word about this movie. Thank you.
Marami nila paano kaya to. Sige. So after po ng screening, magkakaroon po ng maiksing Q&A para sa main cast, producer and director. Okay.